So this morning I'm gonna change this oil in the engine. Everything else has been done except for this. We gotta use our jig and we gotta drop it in this pan. There's another dirty job. Go ahead and get this phone tilted up. Lefty's loosey, righty's tighty. I already broke this one free, because you know how this takes some effort to get it. Alright, now we're gonna see what this oil looks like. It's gonna come out fast. See if we can catch the head and not lose it in there. Got it. Ooh, it's nice. It wasn't milky. Now, one thing you want to make sure is you don't overflow your containers. That would not be fun. Let her go.